The most important advantage of DHI technique is to make a more frequent process by focusing on the gaps between the hair without damaging the existing hair. According to the classical techniques, the healing process is faster and the patient can return to his normal life much more faster. Before hair transplantation, DHI technique helps to make an analysis of hair roots with 1005x camera. During this process, the analysis of your hair follicles is done and the structure of your hair is analyzed. During this examination, the suitability of your donor structure and the number of grafts that can be added are determined. Preferably, your hair should be cut to a certain length and your hairline should be determined by laser. This process is very important for the naturalness of the hair transplantation process. It's important for the hair being transplanted to be natural and not to be artificial. The most intense transplanting for square centimeter is done by DHI technique. The donor area is anesthetized with needle-free anesthesia and the nape area is numbed. Your hair will be taken with the help of micromotor. These hair follicles are taken through a special process of eye cell technique because roots are very important in terms of cell viability. After the donor intake process, local anesthesia is performed for the area on which hair will be transplanted. After this, grafts are inserted into the implant pans in accordance with their thickness. Hair transplantation starts with planning of the front hairline. By using lateral slit method, hair follicles are transplanted according to the hair structure of the patient in order to get the most natural results. After this step, hair transplantation finishes. Since there is no channel opening process in the DHI technique, the crossing period is much lower than in the classical technique and the healing process is very fast.
You can contact us immediately via our WhatsApp number or click the link in the video to ask our doctor questions via email.